Meme coin trading is dead, is what a lot of people are saying. And I'm basically gonna be breaking down why people think meme coin trading is officially dead, but actually how people are still able to make money even when the volume is low. This is basically gonna be a step-by-step guide on how I am treating the 2026 meme coin trading markets and how I'm actually able to still make thousands of dollars per week trading meme coins. Now, yes, I haven't uploaded in a while. I was on a break, taking a break, but I am back. And I want to make sure that you guys are still adapting and learning and thriving in this meme coin market. Now, yes, there are still opportunities to be making 5, 10, even 100 X's in this market, but things are just not the same at all with trading anymore. And my strategies have changed dramatically. So I'm just gonna basically be telling you guys what changed with the markets and where I actually see the future of meme coin trading. So I still do see a massive future in it, which is the good thing. Now, first off, let's just go over Solana. What is happening with Solana? So basically it's been at this little range down here since almost the beginning of, 2026, which is right here. So 2026, we're at $130 per Solana. And now we're all the way down at $84. So what I'm basically hoping for is a retrace or kind of like a little reversal. Now, we have been down to these levels before, but it's at this like final support. So it's getting pretty worrying. But what I would want to see is just us to like slowly climb back up here. And eventually I'll just sell all my crypto at like $140 per Solana, or maybe in the range of $110 to $150 per Solana. I'm going to be selling most of my crypto. But the thing is, when it does this, the volume is going to go ballistic, but that is not what this video is about. It's about the markets right now and how to actually treat them. So like I said, there's almost zero volume coming into the markets. These are mainly just scams or manipulated tokens. And if we actually do go over the DEX screener, this is what I want to go over, is that most coins that are actually doing really well are normally just, bundled up, not necessarily scams, but bundled up projects that are getting pushed by Pump Fun or Bonk. And these are just very manipulated projects. For example, this is a good coin to buy if you got it early, but like it instantly just spawns in at like 1 million. Or if we go to like other coins, we got Tung 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 Suhar, like these are just not natural, candles anymore. And that's because Pump Fun is either, manipulating the market or, just pushing these coins. Now, how do you actually enter coins and what is your goal for this market? And that's what I want to go over. Now, first off, I want to just tell you guys that trading is not the same at all. It is honestly much more simple now. And before it was very complicated. I did show you guys a bunch of strategies on how I was making insane amounts of money trading meme coins, but now it's honestly such a different market. So you guys can see that my chart has pretty much flatlined or even actually have gone down because the market has changed so much. So now you have to adapt, and I'm going to be showing you a different strategy. So let's just go over some of these charts and I'm going to explain what the strategy actually is. So if you guys were trading, I'm hoping you guys have saved up some of those profits and now you have money to trade with. Now, unless you have insider info, the strategies that I'm sharing is basically waiting for these kind of obvious support levels, and then aping at them and trying to hit 2X's only. Now, before I told you guys to aim for 5X's to 50X's. The market is different, so you can't even just aim for that. We have to be aiming for these support levels. This is literally turned into Forex trading, but with meme coins. Now, it's so simple. I think a lot of people overcomplicate meme coins. It's super simple. So I'm using a couple of coins. I'm gonna use Punch, which all of us must have heard of. It's just this monkey. It's gone out ultra viral, but yeah, this coin absolutely ripped up and I was able to actually get an entry here at 8 million. But as we can see, the coin came down to a essential support level right here. And a lot of people I know actually added down here at 6 mil, and that's already a 4X. Now, this is a great example. It's been ranging in this little support area here, but this is a higher risk coin because I don't hear anyone talk about it. But as we can see, we have these little kind of bounces here, and this is usually resistance and support. It's just basic stuff you'll kind of start to notice. And then we also have the zones. So let me smack up this box. Where is it? Here you go. So we have like these zones where you're going to be entering, and you would be entering, you know, throughout these supports. So first support right here, 7 mil, you could have entered a bunch. And then second support down here, 5 mil, could have entered a bunch. And then you would have gotten a, you know, 4x right there. Second coin I want to go over is LOL. Now this is a pretty popular coin right now, but I don't know by the time I upload this video if this would still be a good trade. But as we can see, it gains a lot of traction. Now we're looking for coins above 100K. We're not looking for coins that are, you know, sub 100K like we were back then. Now we're actually looking for higher market cap coins that are going to get manipulated and just sent because, you know, Pump Fund wants to send this coin. So as we can see, same thing as before, little support range right here. And we know we can validate the support range because first off, it stopped here and then it broke through, came down, actually got supported, went up again. And then once again, came down to these levels, 5 mil, came down to around 5 mil again, and then came all the way up to a 2x of 10 mil. Now, the thing with this though, is that we need to know that the team is still on there. So you can use a lot of different trackers and different sort of things to see if there actually is a good team. Now, by now, if you guys do not have a group that you trade with, or, you know, people that you can ask, well, then you guys should actually apply for my group. Now, I do have 2 mentorships or memberships. I do actually have 2 memberships now that you guys can join. So I have a basic Telegram group where I share you guys good coins I'm entering with the thesis and the chart and everything where you should enter, basically trading for you guys. And then I have a second group where I'm doing one-on-one mentoring and live trading with the group. So either one of those would be great if you guys don't have a group to trade with or just want to learn more in meme coin trading. But as we can see, the LOL group is still very active. Still a lot of people, you know, working with them. And yeah, we have some big names actually posting them. We have good KOLs posting them and good spaces. So we know that this is still a very active coin, and we would have actually have bought in here and also here and been able to, you know, flip it for a 2x on size. So that's the strategy. Basically, we're aiming for 30% to 2x gains, but we're doing it on big size. So let's say I entered with $1,000 here. I would have, you know, theoretically taken it out for 50%. So I would have made $500, and then we can go on to like the next coin, for example, like Copper Inu, where it just has like an obvious support level where you see it bounces, same exact pattern. I mean, almost every time bounces, comes down, bounces. And then now we know that this is a valid, basically, it's a very valid price range where you can be buying. So we would have bought over here, once again, just easy kind of readings of the charts. And then we would have sold up here. So, I mean, that is another 2x, but once again, we are aiming for like 50% gains. 2x's are great. Obviously, we'll take them. But for the most part, we want like those 50% to 2x gains. On size, though, that's where it's important. So what are some things I look for in coins when I'm doing this? How do I actually know? So I already told you guys about my group. Basically, if you were to join my group, then you have easy calls. You know, I handle all that for you guys. But let's say you aren't in a group, how are you gonna know if it is a good coin to buy? So let's use Bull, for example. And I mean, I've seen this coin so much lately. And now the main thing I would say, how you know a coin is good, is if you are in chats and they're all basically saying it's a good coin. They're saying these names that are supporting it and all that. Now, if you aren't in these chats, it's gonna make trading way harder. That's why I recommend joining my programs. But let's say that basically you aren't in these. You can go over to Twitter, sort by top, and just post in the CA. So I came over here, press this, copies the CA, and then it posts this here. And now we're going to be looking at the people supporting this coin. So we could see John Klin, like, I mean, seems like he actually has, you know, good motion, 30K followers, and he's been bull posting it so much. Then we have Archie, he's also like posting it. We just have like these random people who have like decent followings posting the coins. Now, another cool thing is that I can come over to Axiom. That's what I like that they added. But if I come here and I go to 4 hours, we could see like famous people tweeting it and where they tweeted it. So now we actually know like, oh shit, this person supports the coin. This person supports the coin. And these are just big names that you can see supporting the coin. So this guy, good amount of followers. This dude, 200,000 followers. Like, I mean, these guys got a good amount of followers. So, you know, the coin probably won't, you know, instantly dump to zero. And this is what we're looking for. So right now this coin's getting crazy motion, but a good, you know, little support range would be like here. So let's say the coin were to, you know, maybe come down here again. So we'll be like drawing this. It's probably gonna bounce down from here, come maybe down here again. So you could potentially buy in, you know, this zone right here, and that wouldn't be too bad of a zone to buy in. But I think that the main support would be over here in this price range, and this could be a, you know, easy 20% gain. So it goes down to, you know, around 1 million. You wait for the little pump to 1.5, maybe 2 million, take your profits. Now, are you able to find coins under 100K that are still good? Yes, but they have to follow trends. So a good example would be this coin. I bought like 5 SOL worth, and now it's worth 10 SOL. And I just followed a meta, Palm Beach Pete, he's blowing up. And I still think this coin will go actually higher, but this is a great example of a coin under 100K that I think has great potential. And these are like studied plays, but this is different from the strategy I just showed you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, if you guys do need a group to join, use the link down below, and I'll see you guys in the Telegram chat. See you guys next video.